Hi, my name is Karol Scott, and I am so excited to introduce to you the 2019 Honda Civic. Last year, Honda dazzled us with a completely redesigned 10th generation Civic. This year, Honda elevated its iconic compact sedan with advanced safety features, velvety performance and handling, luxurious interiors, and even new body options. No wonder the Civic was the overall winner for the KBB.com's 2019 Best Buy Award. And you can experience the new 2019 Civic at Paragon Honda right now. But before we hit the gas, let's break for a moment to see how much is really packaged into the 2019 Civic. The 2019 Civic is available as a sedan, coupe, or hatchback in 10 total colors. Most Civics come in 5 trims. With sedans, you can choose from LX, EX, EXT, EXL, and Touring. Choose the LX, LXP, EXT, EXL, or Touring for coupes. Hatchbacks include the LX, Sports, EX, EXL with navigation, and Sport Touring. There's also the SI and Type R models. So whether you're looking for your first car or a thrill seeker, Paragon Honda has the right Civic for you in stock, and you can even customize it with Honda genuine accessories. On the outside, the Civic sedan's exterior was completely overhauled for the 2016 model year. This year, Honda took it a step further and reintroduced the Civic hatchback after nearly 20 years hiatus. Honda also introduced us with the Civic Type R, the most rebellious and powerful Civic to date. The new Civic includes LED headlights for increased visibility. Around the back, the C-shaped taillights are not only functional, but are a strong style statement to prove just how unique the Civic is. Open the doors to your new 2019 Civic from Paragon Honda and you will feel our top-tier interior made from premium material. Our Touring model offers stunning two-tone leather trim seats. All Civics have deep, comfortable seats so you do not feel as if you're sitting on them, but in them. Ignite your confidence inside the redesigned cockpit, including our easier-to-read, all-on digital display. The 2019 Civic offers a vast storage area that's easily reachable from the driver's seat. Say goodbye to the days of pulling a brake lever and hello to our electric parking brake that activates with just a lift of the finger, conveniently located next to the driver's seat. Upper trims have standard heated front seats. If you opt for the Touring model, enjoy heated rear seats to keep you cozy during those cold New York winters. Picking up the kids, groceries, or trekking out for the weekend? The 2019 Civic's fold-down rear seats are spacious. 15.1 cubic feet trunk gives you plenty of cargo room when you're on the go. Inside the trunk is a pass-through to your rear seats to haul just about anything. You'll step into innovation with Honda's cutting-edge technology package. You're greeted by a 7-inch touchscreen housing each feature, all easily accessible from the home screen. This dynamic system includes a multi-angle rear-view camera. Choose from 3 angles: normal, top-down, and wide, to gain a better view of your surroundings when you shift into reverse. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are compatible with this system. Just connect with Honda Link to stream music, access social media, and even schedule a service appointment with Paragon whenever you need one. All Civic trims are available with Honda Sensing, Honda's intelligent suite of safety and drive assistive features. This suite helped the 2019 Civic win another IIHS Top Safety Pick Award. Honda Sensing is designed to alert you of visible and not so visible challenges you might miss while driving. This feature of Honda Sensing is the collision mitigation braking system. This aids the vehicle's braking system when it senses what could be an unavoidable collision with a detected vehicle in front of you. Also included in this suite is the road departure mitigation system. A small camera notes road marks and alerts you if you're close to leaving the road. You'll also receive adaptive cruise control with a low-speed follow, to help you maintain a set following interval on the highway, so there's no more manually changing speed. Finally, there's Lane Keep Assist. If at any point your Civic begins to drift without signaling, the steering will adjust to bring you back to the center. Now that you've seen the world-class features on the surface, let's explore under the hood and see what truly makes this a Honda Civic. Most Civic models available at Paragon Honda are comprised of a continuously variable automatic transmission to provide plenty of power to your engine without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Or you can get our snappy 6-speed manual standard in LX and EXT. LX and EX models come standard with 158 horsepower, 2-liter engine, achieving an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Elect for the EXL and above models and you'll receive a 174 horsepower turbocharged engine to tackle any road obstacle. This engine gets up to 42 miles per gallon on the highway. The Civic's impeccable performance is complemented by standard McPherson struts and a lightweight body structure to handle the New York streets with ease. Maintaining the Civic's tradition of reliability, you're provided with years of worry-free driving thanks to our 3-year, 36,000-mile new vehicle warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Compact yet mighty, sporty yet elegant, affordable yet sophisticated. The iconic Civic holds its value no matter the model year, but continues to innovate each step of the way, and it's waiting for you now at Paragon Honda.